Hi everyone, and welcome back to M&A Learning Junction. In this video, we're going to learn how to sum values in Excel. This is part of our basic Excel course designed for complete beginners. I'm using a dummy dataset that I created myself with student names and their math marks. The dataset is small, so it's easy to understand and practice. Let's get started. Step 1, enter the data in Excel. Type into your Excel sheet. As you can see, I already have dataset of student name math. Aliyah 56, Ion 88, Belly 77, Casio 45, Ben 34, Jerry 78, Henry 85, Siley 45, Bob 36. Now we want to add the all student maths marks, so in Excel we can easily do this. So first select the cell where you want to display the total. Click on cell B11, just below Bob's mark. In Excel we have a formula to sum up the values. Type the sum formula in cell B11, type equals sum. Now select the cell where you want to sum the value and drag it to the last value you want to add. Press enter. Excel will add all the values from cell B2 to B10, and you'll get the total, 544. And that's it. You've successfully summed the student marks in Excel. It's a basic but very powerful tool that you'll use again and again in real-world tasks. I hope this lesson was easy to follow and helpful for you. Make sure to practice with the dataset we used today. I kept it small on purpose so you can learn without getting confused. Don't forget to hit like button, subscribe our channel,